Welcome to our channel. If you keep hacking in creating websites or making software in hacking, then similar videos will continue to come on our channel. If you join our channel, then let's teach new ones. Paragraph tag. The P tag offers a way to structure your text into different paragraphs. Each paragraph of text should go in between an opening P and a closing /P tag as shown below in the example. Example. HTML. Head. Title paragraph example, title. /head. Body. P here is a first paragraph of text /P. P here is a second paragraph of text /P. P here is a third paragraph of text /P. /body. /HTML. This will produce the following result.